Good morning, toppers. Still now in PSM point of view, we had seen infections, and now today we will be discussing regarding few MCQs related to infections. So let's get started. Infectivity of chickenpox lasts for till the last cap falls off, 6 days after the onset of rash, 3 days after the onset of rash, till the fever subsides, and the answer is B, that is 6 days after the onset of rash. Most common cause of death due to measles: A. Pneumonia, B. Secondary bacterial infections, C. Measles encephalitis, and D. Otitis media. And the most common cause of death is the answer secondary bacterial infection. Incubation period of mumps: 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, and 18 days. The answer is 18 days. Positive Schick test indicates immunity to diphtheria, susceptibility to diphtheria, hypersensitivity to diphtheria, and infection with diphtheria. Answer is susceptibility to diphtheria. The most appropriate test to assess the prevalence of tuberculosis infection in a community is mass miniature radiography, sputum examination, tuberculin test, clinical examination, and the answer is tuberculin test. So the most appropriate test to assess the prevalence of tuberculosis infection in a community is tuberculin test. Which of the following is not transmitted through sexual route? This is one of the tricky question. Hepatitis A, hepatitis E, both hepatitis A and E, and hepatitis D. We usually think the option might be C, but the answer is hepatitis E only, because all the other organisms got sexual transmission. Only hepatitis E won't be getting through sexual transmission. Most important in diagnosing the acute hepatitis B is IgG anti-HBC, IgM anti-HBC, anti-HBs, HBs-AG, and the diagnosing is IgM anti-HBC. So IgM is an acute phase antibody. The usual incubation period of typhoid fever is 10 to 14, 3 to 5, 21 to 25 days, less than 3 days. And the answer is 10 to 14 days incubation period of typhoid. Dragonculiasis was more common in which of the following state? Orissa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and UP. The answer is Rajasthan. So the question is, which cycle of malaria is seen in RBC? Sexual, sporogony, exogenous, and endogenous. And the answer is endogenous cycle. Pre-exposure prophylaxis for rabies is given on A option day 0, 3, 7, 14, 28 and 90. Then 0, 3, 7, 28 and 90. Then day 0 and 3 and day 0, 7, 28. And the answer is pre-exposure prophylaxis. that is 0, 7 and 28. Cheopis index is average number of Cheopis per rat, average number of fleas per rat, average number of fleas per burrow, average number of Cheopis per burrow. The answer is average number of Cheopis per rat. Period of communicability of tetanus: 7 days, 14 days, 21 days and none. And the answer is yes, it is none. There is no communicability of tetanus from one person to another. Elimination of leprosy is defined as prevalence of less than 1 per 1000, less than 1 case per 10,000, less than 1 case per 1 lakh, or less than 1 case per 100. And the answer is less than 1 case per 10,000 population. So this is the elimination strategy for leprosy. And Mitsuda reaction is read at the time interval 3rd day, 10th day, 21st day and 45th day. The answer is 21st day. Thank you so much, doctors.